Hi dears, good morning to all. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Okay, how is the previous class? All of you understand? Okay, I hope all of you read this lesson 5 times. Okay, what is the name of this lesson? Yes, very good. The ideal and the whale. The ideal and the whale. Before that, all of you close your textbook. I will ask some questions related to this lesson. Okay, just please close your book. Then all of you try to answer these questions. Okay, the first question, where is Kamakura located? Where is Kamakura located? What is the answer? Yes, Kamakura located near Kyoto in Japan. Okay, and the next question. What is the next question? What is the ideal made of? Ideal made of in bronze. Okay, understand? Okay, and the next question. Where, wa where was the ideal place during the Middle Ages? Where was the place? Where was the ideal place during the Middle Ages? Where was the place? In the Middle Ages, Kamakura was a capital city. Kamakura was a capital city. Okay, and the next question. Name the biggest thing in the sea. Name the biggest thing in the sea. What is the biggest thing in the sea? Yeah, the whale. The whale is the biggest thing in the sea. All other creatures. Okay, understand? How tall was great bronze ideal? How tall was bronze? How tall was the great bronze ideal? Yes, because their feet, height and all. What is the ideal is 57 feet high, 97 feet around, and then 3 feet, his face was 8 feet long, 97 feet around, then his thumbs are 3 feet thick. Okay, understand? Okay, and then next question. Next question. What is the next question? Who conveyed the gossip of fisherman of the whale? Who conveyed the gossip of the fisherman? Who conveyed? The some of the fisherman say some gossip is the bronze idol was the biggest thing in the world. Okay, and then what was the information conveyed? What was the information conveyed? The information conveyed is the biggest thing in the world, the ideal to see who some pilgrims who came to see ideal, which was the biggest thing in the world. Okay, and the next question, why did the whale brood and sulk? Because he heard brood and sulk. Why did the whale brood and sulk? Because all the pilgrims should come to see him, and also he became very jealous because now he could be as a big as he was. ഈ മീനിനെക്കാട്ടിലും ഏറ്റവും വലുത് എന്താണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് is the bronze ideal. That's why the whale was very brood and sulk. Understand? Okay, and then next one. Who offered to help the whale? Who offered help the whale? A small rat offered to help the whale. How did the rat help the shark? How did the rat help the shark? The elderly shark came up the whale. Then the whale prouded out of the fears of the shark. Then the sharks on the coast requested to measure the ideal. Okay, and then why do you think the shark did? How did the rat help the shark? The shark told to rat, then rat measure the rat on this shore to the measure the ideal. Okay, that's why the rat helped the shark. Okay, and then what was the bad news? What was the bad news? The rat measured the idea, then came back to the whale, came back to the shark, then told to shark, it was the biggest, idol was the biggest thing in the world. That was the bad news. Okay, all of you got the answers? I hope all of you got the answers. Okay. Okay, then next. Okay, and then let's go through the next part of our story. Next part of the story. Okay. All of you open your textbook. Take page number 41. Take page number 41. Then all of you listen your textbook. Last class we discussed at the first two enormous beings were so surprised to see each other. So surprised to see each other that they could not speak. But after a while, the whale began to tell his story to Ideal. Okay, last class we stop here. Then all of you look at your textbook, take page number 41. A sleeping temple priest woke up and came to see who was talking. He found the Ideal's pedestal empty and came running out. He saw the two gigantic figures. He let out a shriek and fainted in shock. When he regained consciousness, the Ideal asked him to measure the both of them with his rosary. The whale's heart was cracking with the strain and suspense. The priest completed measuring and announced that the whale was taller than the Ideal by 2 inches. Of course, the whale lived happily ever after. As for the Ideal, he did not care if he was not the biggest thing in the world. He is still calm and smile. All of you read silently. Okay, I hope all of you read this part. A sleeping temple priest woke up. Here, once priest was sleeping here. Then woke up that priest. Came to see who was talking. Then come out and came to see who is speaking here. എന്താണ് ഈ ഐഡിയൽ ബ്രോൺസിന്റെ മുന്നിൽ നിന്ന് ആരാണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത് കാണാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ആര് പുറത്തേക്ക് വന്നു? ഈ സന്യാസി പ്രീസ്റ്റ്, സന്യാസി പുറത്ത് വന്ന് നോക്കുകയാണ്. ഈ ഐഡിയലിനോട് ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് നോക്കുകയാണ്. ഓക്കെ. He found the Ideal pedestal. What is the meaning of pedestal? The base of a statue. Okay. Pedestal means base of a statue. Pedestal means a base of a statue. Okay. Then he found the Ideal's pedestal empty and came running out. He found the Ideal pedestal, a base of a statue, empty, came running out. He saw the two gigantic figures. Then the priest saw the two gigantic figures. ഭയങ്കര വലിയ രണ്ട് ആൾക്കാർ തമ്മിൽ സംസാരിക്കുന്നതായിട്ട് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ രണ്ട് ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് അവിടെ ഈ പ്രീസ്റ്റ് കാണുകയാണ്. He let out a shriek and fainted in shock. Then he let shriek and fainted in shock because he was very afraid. Then he cried with loud voice and fainted in shock. When he regained consciousness, the Ideal asked him to measure both of them with his rosary. When he regained consciousness, what's the meaning? Awareness of something. Consciousness means awareness of something. The Ideal asked him to measure both of them with rosary. His rosary. The ideal asked him, said to him, to measure the both of them. എന്നെയും ideal സ്റ്റാച്ചുവിനെയും എന്താണ് വിത്ത് ഹിസ് റോസ് മെഷർ വിത്ത് ഹിസ് റോസറി, അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ കയ്യിലുള്ള ഒരു രുദ്രാക്ഷം ഇല്ലേ അത് വെച്ച് മെഷർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറയാണ്. ടു മെഷർ ബോത്ത് ഓഫ് ദം, മെഷർ വിത്ത് റോസറി, വിത്ത് ഹിസ് റോസറി. The whale's heart was cracking with the strain and suspense. The whale was very upset. Whale was very suspense. Because he faced, because he feeling very tension. Okay, because എന്താണ് because the bronze idol was the biggest thing in the world. Okay, and that's why the whale asked him to measure this statue, measure both of them his rosary. Okay, then the whale's heart was cracking with strain and suspense. The priest completed measuring. And announced that the whale was taller than the ideal by 2 inches. The priest completed measuring and announced that the whale was taller than ideal by 2 inches. Okay, understand? Now here the whale was very happy because the whale was taller than ideal by 2 inches. Okay, and then of course the whale lived happily ever after. Now then because എന്താണ് 2 ഇഞ്ചിനെക്കാട്ടിലും കൂടുതൽ ആരാണ് വലുത്? വെയിൽ. അപ്പം എന്താണ് ഈ വെയിലിന് ഭയങ്കര സന്തോഷമായി. The whale lived happily ever after. As for the ideal, he did not care if he was not the biggest thing in the world. As for the ideal, he did not care if he was not the biggest thing in the world. He is still calm and smiling. Okay, here I have some question. Who came out to meet the whale? Who came? Here the temple priest woke up and meet the whale. Then why do you think the priest was shocked? Why do you think the priest was shocked? Why do you think? Because the 2 gigantic figures are standing here. Here he saw the 2 gigantic figures. That's why he got shriek and fainted in shock. Okay, understand? Okay, then which one would you like to be? Which one is big here? The whale is bigger than ideal. The whale was taller than ideal by 2 inches. Okay, I hope all of you understand this lesson very well. Okay, all of you like this story? Okay, all of you read 5 times this lesson. Okay, then let's go through our exercise part. Next we are going to discuss exercise part. Exercise part. Let us understand. Write T for the true statement, F for the false statement. First one, the idol was the 87 feet high and 67 feet around. Say true or false. All of you find out the answers. Okay, then just I will read these questions. Okay, all of you find out the answer yourself. Okay, it is very easy. Second one, the idol sits in a beautiful temple even today. The shark was the biggest creature in the sea. Fourth one, the whale was the biggest creature in the sea. Fifth one, a tortoise called the whale at the idol was bigger than the whale. Is it correct? Tortoise is correct? All of you remember that name. Okay. Sixth one, the whale became jealous of the idol. The whale became jealous of the idol. Is it true or false? All of you write the answer in your textbook. Okay. Then seventh one. A rat set off to find out the size of the ideal. A rat set off to find out the size of the ideal. Eighth one. The ideal came out of the temple to see the whale. The ideal came out of the temple to see the whale. Is it correct or wrong? Okay, all of you do. In your textbook. Ninth one, the priest fainted. 10th one, the ideal was unhappy to hear that he was smaller than the whale. Okay, and then exercise number B, fill in the blanks with the right words. Try not to look back at the lesson. Don't look the back of this lesson. All of you try to answer in your own words. Not all of you answer yourself. Okay, don't look in your lesson. Okay. Then first one, among the trees of dash, there sits a great dash, idol of a dash god. Second one day some dash were gossiping about the big dash in Kamakura. Third one, a little dash of a fish heard this and win the tall dash. Then 4, 5, 6, 7. So here some more, fill in the blanks in your textbook. All of you answer yourself. Okay. And then next answer the following questions. Okay, answer the following questions. What's the first question? All of you read. Yes, Kamakura was a great capital in the Middle Ages. What sort of life did the ideal lead then? What has changed now? What has the change now? What's the answer here? When Kamakura was a capital city of Middle Ages, the bronze idol was the temple. It was 57 feet high, 97 feet wide. Then his face was 8 feet long. Then his thumb were 3 feet thick. Okay. Now the bronze idol is found in Kamakura near Kyoto in Japan as forgotten god under a tree. That is the answer for the first question. Okay. Have you got the answer? Once again all of you listen here. When Kamakura was a capital city in Middle Ages, the bronze idol was in a temple. It was 57 feet high, 97 feet wide. Then his face was 8 feet long and his thumbs were 3 feet thick. Okay, now the bronze idol found in Kamakura near Japan as a forgotten god under a tree. Okay, and the second question, why did the whale brood and sulk? Why did the whale brood and sulk? The whale showed his anger when he heard from the fishes about the big statue. While was considered the biggest thing in the world. The whale was considered the biggest thing in the world. Considered the biggest thing in the world. That's because pilgrims came to see. Pilgrims came to this bronze idol. The whale also felt jealous, said nothing could be as big as he was, and so that all the pilgrims should come and see him instead. Okay. And the third one, who helped the whale find out his rumors were true? An elderly shark. Okay, an elderly shark. Third one answer. Rumors were true. And the fourth question, why did the rat tremble with fear? Why did the rat tremble with fear? As the base of the ideal, measured the 5,000 paces. If I measure the 5,000 paces, the rat trembled with fear when he came back to give this information to the whale. Came back to give this information to the whale. Okay. And then fifth question. What's the fifth question? What did the whale do when he heard the bad news? What did the whale do when he heard the bad news? When the whale heard the bad news about the size of the ideal, he could not believe it and could not sleep or rest. He decided to see the ideal for himself. Then sixth one, who measured the ideal and the whale at the temple? Who was bigger? Who measured the ideal and the whale at the temple? The temple priest measured the ideal whale at the temple. Then the whale was bigger than the ideal. Okay. Well, if you got the answers from these questions, okay, I will send you WhatsApp these answers. Okay, all of you, look at the next exercise. Odds. What do you think? It did not matter the ideal to be smaller than the whale 2 inches. What do you think? It did not matter the ideal to be smaller than the whale by 2 inches. What do you think? Here the ideal had a serene and peaceful nature. So it did not matter if he was 2 inches smaller than to the whale. It did not matter that ideal 2 inches smaller than the whale. Here some match the following are given here. Page number 43. Match the words with their meanings. Okay. Here A and B is given here. First stiff. Here the opposite side is their stiff meaning. Okay. Then all of you find out the answer. Stiff. What's the answer? Not easily bent. Second one, favorite. All of you do. All of you find yourself the answers. Okay. It's a homework. Then next we are going to discuss our language and grammar. Here there are 3 animals from the story. Here there are 3 animals from this story. Let us compare their sizes. Answer. Let us compare their sizes. Answer these questions. So 3 animals. First one, rat. B, shark. And the next one, whale. Here we want to compare these sizes. Compare their sizes. That is a small. Then what is bigger, biggest. Did you heard about the comparison? Okay. Then all of you look at your textbook. Who is bigger, shark or whale? Who is bigger, shark or whale? Who is bigger? Here, whale is the bigger thing. Here we are comparing 2 things using the adjective bigger. 2 കാര്യങ്ങളെ നമ്മൾ compare ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എന്താണ്? Bigger. Okay. So we are comparing 2 things by using adjective. We use bigger. Okay. Understand? Yeah. Next, the comparative form of an adjective is used to compare 2 people or 2 things. Comparative form of adjective ഇല്ല നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് to compare 2 people or things. 2 ആളുകൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 2 വസ്തുക്കളെ നമ്മൾ compare ചെയ്യുന്നതിനെ നമ്മൾ comparative form of adjective. Yeah, for example, Mahesh is taller than Yash. Mahesh is taller than Yash. യാഷിനെക്കാട്ടിലും കൂടുതൽ ആരാണ് വലുത്? Yeah, Mahesh taller than Mahesh. Yeah. Second one, which animal is biggest of the three? Which animal is biggest of these three? ഏതാണ് ഏറ്റവും വലുത്? Is the biggest thing? Yeah. When we compare three or more things, we suggest biggest. Three. Here first we discussed two things. Two things of two person we use bigger. Okay. Puffy, listen. ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ രണ്ടെണ്ണത്തിന് കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ we are use bigger in adjective form bigger. Then next we are going to compare three things. Okay. When we compare three or more things, മൂന്നോ മൂന്നിലധികമോ കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നു? ബിഗ്ഗസ്റ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, understand? Then next, the superlative form of an adjective is the first form. The comparative form of an adjective we use bigger. And then next, superlative, second one, superlative form of an adjective used to compare one person or thing with other members of the group. For example, Rakesh is tallest boy in the class. Rakesh is tallest boy in the class. Then third one, which animal is smallest? Which animal is smallest here? Rat is the smallest thing here. Then which animal is smaller, the rat or shark? Which animal is smaller, rat or shark? Here this is a smaller thing. Then from these questions, their answers you can see that adjectives such as bigger, biggest, smaller, smallest help us to compare things. അല്ലേ? എന്താണ് ഒരു വസ്തുവിനെ നമ്മൾ കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യാൻ bigger, biggest, then smaller, smallest, like this. Okay, here read the following. Here some examples are here given here. Strong, stronger, strongest. Strong, stronger, okay, here strong, stronger, strongest is the comparison of their size. Okay, here next one, glad, gladder, gladdest. Third one, heavy, heavier, heaviest. Far, further, furthest. 5, mad, madder, maddest. Sixth one, late, later, latest. Okay, here some comparative adjective take more and most. Some comparative adjectives endana more and more before the words ni munne more before use it. Okay, yeah, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Powerful, more powerful, most powerful. Comfortable, more comfortable, most comfortable. Reliable, more reliable, most reliable. Miserable, more miserable, most miserable. Here fill in the blanks with the right form of adjectives given in brackets. Here some adjectives are given in your bracket here. Elephant are dash heavy than cows. What is the answer? Elephant are heavier than cows. Elephants are heavier than cows. The next one, my mother is tall is an adjective. Tall than me. What is the answer? My mother is taller than me. Okay, I hope all of you understand. Yeah, 3 to 10, all of you find out the answer yourself. Okay, and then exercise number B, read the following. Read the following. Look at the word big. Look at the word big. As a huge, enormous, gigantic and immense also mean big or very big. Here look at the word big. ഇവിടെ എന്താണ് big കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. Words such as huge, enormous, gigantic, immense is the meaning of big. അല്ലേ ബിഗിൻ്റെ വേറെ is the other meanings of big, huge, enormous, gigantic and immense, and also mean big or very big. Instead of using the same words repeatedly in sentence, we use different adjectives to make reading for interesting. അല്ലേ ഒരു സെൻറ്റൻസിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് ഈ ബിഗിൻ്റെ എന്താണ് വെരി ബിഗ് എന്ന് റിപ്പീറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് കൊടുക്കുന്നതിന് പകരം വി യൂസ് ദ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് മീനിങ്സ് ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് വേർഡ് അല്ലേ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് മീനിങ്സ് ഓഫ് ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് repeatedly in sentence we use different adjectives to different meaning, or instead of the same words repeatedly in sentence we use different adjectives to make more interesting. എന്താണ് വായനക്കാർക്ക് more interesting ആക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ പലതരം മീനിങ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും ഉപയോഗിക്കുക, but it's the same meaning. Okay, yeah, for example, the big wave made big waves. The big waves turned into big tidal waves. That we are here. This sentence, look at this sentence. All of you look at this for sentence. Yeah, the big repeatedly we use big. It's very boring for reading. Okay, here example about the sentence can be written like this: the huge whale made great waves. Here first one, the big whale made big waves. Yeah, huge whale made great waves. Okay, then what is all of you understand the difference? Here the same meaning but we use the different words. Okay, here second point, enormous wave turned into immense tidal waves. Then rewrite the following sentence by changing the highlighted words without changing the meaning. You can use the words given in the help box. First one, here some meanings are given in your box, given here. Then first one, the kind man was very kind to beggar. He was kind enough to feed him and clothe him. Here എന്താണ് ഇവിടെ കൈൻഡ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ വേർഡ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇതിൻ്റെ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് മീനിങ്സ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ ബോക്സിലുണ്ട്, അത് നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച് എഴുതാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. Here I'll give one example. The kind man was very kind to the beggar. The kind, first one, generous. Okay, and then man was very kind to beggar. He was kind enough to feed him and clothe him. He was kind. He was good enough to feed him and clothe him. Then second one, the bad fairy cast as bad spell on the poor child. Bad, nasty is the meaning of bad. Okay, nasty, N-A-S-T-Y. Then second sentence, the bad fairy then laughed rudely and flew away. They bad, wicked, W-I-C-K-E-D-Y, and is the another word of bad. Okay, all of you understand? Then 3 to 5, all of you find out the answers. Then here one more writing practice is also given here. Describe the meeting between the idol and the whale. Describe the meeting between idol and the whale. What would they have said to each other? അവർ രണ്ടുപേരും തമ്മിൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും സംസാരിക്കുക? What is the conversation between idol and the whale? Write the dialogues in the space given on the textbook. Here look at the page number 47. Here blank spaces are here. Here all of you find out, all of you try to make some conversation between idol and the whale. Okay, here some hints are given here. Seeing the whale for the first time, what are you and then samayathu endana samsarikka avaru thamil. Okay, all of you write the answer in your textbook. Okay, I hope all of you understand this exercises, and also all of you understand this story very well. All of you read the story 5 times, and also all of you write the word meanings in your notebook, and also all of you find out the answer true or false, fill in the blanks, then match the following and also same meaning. Then also here fill in the blanks with the right form of adjective in your bracket. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Okay, let's wind up our today's class. Thank you.